It's Wednesday spelling, which means you're going to be looking for your Wednesday spelling slides. You should have already got there because you wouldn't be watching this video if you hadn't. If you click on the slides next to the video, it shows a sort and then another sheet, just like yesterday, but this time instead of focusing on the phonetic scale 1 and phonetic scale 2, we're focusing on words that end in CK. Remember, any words that end in CK, or any that end with the k sound after a short vowel have a CK. So neck has a short E, eh. So because it has that k sound right after the short vowel, it ends with the CK. So this CK word is going to go under the E short vowel. Brick, it has the I, which is the I. It's a short I, and it has a k sound after, so it's going to end with CK. Stack, it has the k sound after the short A, so it is going to have the CK as well. So just sort all of those words just like normal. Then, when you go to the second sheet, it says, what do all the words in this sort have in common? Well, they all end with CK because they're after short vowels. Or you could do that instead of end with CK, you could write after short vowels if you want. Which 3 words begin with an R blend? Well, right off, I can see brick is an R blend. So find 2 more R blends and do that. Answer all the questions. Be careful, do your very best. Good luck with the CK spelling rule.